Can't make it to Chicago for SolidCAM World 2026, our global flagship event this September? No problem. SolidCAM World is coming to you. On September 15th and 16th, join us live from McCormick Place, bringing you the energy, innovation, and highlights of this amazing event, wherever you are in the world. Discover the latest innovations in SolidCAM, SolidShop, manufacturing AI, automation, and our complete ecosystem for digital manufacturing. Experience live demos and real-world manufacturing solutions, and see how SolidCAM technologies help manufacturers reduce machining time, increase productivity, and improve profitability. In short, get a front-row view of the key moments, exciting announcements, and insights you won't want to hear about secondhand. You may not be in the room, but you can still be part of the experience. And wait, there is another reason to register. 10 live broadcast attendees will win an exclusive SolidCAM Swiss Machine Titanium Pen. So wherever you are, don't miss this exciting event. Register now for the live broadcast of SolidCAM's website and join us live. 2 days, big ideas, one global SolidCAM community. See you online.